In this video, I'm going to show you how to get trade tokens in Clash Royale. So what are trade tokens? So this essentially lets you trade cards with your clanmates. Each tokens let you exchange one card at a specific rarity from common, rare, epic, or legendary with another member of your clan. So now there is a few different ways how to get these trade tokens. So clan wars rewards. So trade tokens are sometimes given as part of clan war season rewards. Participate in clan wars and earn rewards to increase your chance of getting them. Also, completing certain tiers in Pass Royale can reward you with trade tokens. So check your Pass Royale progress to see which tiers include them. Now, another way what we can do is head on over to the shop and purchase them from the shop as well. And sometimes they offer special challenges and events. So Supercell often runs limited time events or challenges that rewards trade tokens. So keep an eye on the events tab for these opportunities, and also seasonal offers. So occasionally the in-game shop sells those trade tokens, as I was saying just earlier, as part of special season offers. So check the shop daily for these deals. Now also daily, weekly crowns chest or clans chest. So while not guaranteed, some special chests can occasionally include these trade tokens.